kawthoolei. Say the name. Ain't say it twice. Yeah, make it stay. They say we ain't on the map, but we live on every heart. Painted flags on broken walls. Turn these ruins into art. Yeah, they can call us what they want. We still call this place our home. Every hill, each muddy road, that's the land inside my bones. Yeah, told my people I won't stop. You're the ink in what I write. Every word a little step, every step another fight. We're pretending not to hear, I just speak a little louder. From the jungle to the sky, watch our name grow into power. Yeah, my country called kawthoolei. I will never walk away, I will never break or bend. We will rise, we will ascend. My country called kawthoolei. Soon the world will say your name. I will keep this promise true. Kawthoolei, I fight for you. No salute from foreign hands. Still we stand and still we sing. Every mother, every child, they're the ones I'm carrying. I got scars they cannot see on my soul, across my mind, but these wounds become a road straight to freedom over time. When they tell us keep it quiet, we respond with bigger drums. Every loss another lesson, every tear a river runs. I don't chase a crown of gold, I just want our simple right to exist, to be acknowledged, to be seen in open light. My country called kawthoolei. I will never walk away, I will never break or bend. We will rise, we will ascend. My country called kawthoolei. Soon the world will say your name. I will keep this promise true. Kawthoolei, I fight for you. If they never sign a paper, we still sign it in our blood. If they try to drown our story, we will turn into a flood. If they try to hide our name, we'll just write it in the sky. Kawthoolei, my love, my flame, I will hold you till I die. My country called kawthoolei. I will never walk away, I will never break or bend. We will rise, we will ascend. My country called kawthoolei. Soon the world will say your name. I will keep this promise true. Kawthoolei, I fight for you.